So, what's good, bro? It's my first time rapping on like I guess it's like a Jersey club type beat. Yeah, I really don't know how to rap on these beats, but I did what I had to do. You know what I'm saying? But I don't sound like Ishowspeed, so it's like it's not going. You feel me? A preset is a preset, and I know in its main preset, Ishowspeed don't use no reverb delay. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I put it like that. And then for the second background, I duplicated it. We duplicate all the we duplicate this and this, and I'll just put the distortion. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description so y'all can go get that shit. And yeah, I'm gonna let this song play out real quick.
Yeah. Okay, look. She want me to give it a dick. She wanna take on my stick. She wanna eat on that shit. Eat on that shit. Eat on that shit. She wanna rap on that bitch. She wanna suck on my dick. She said I'm really bigger than you. She said I'm really can step in your shoes. She said that nigga just know what to do. She said she loving the way that I beat it. I said I love all the way that she eat it. I love the way that she cry when she need it. My girl can tell her bitch that I beat it. I love the way that they move. I love the way that she drools. I hate the way that she really be playing with me. She know that's not cool. I want it that can't take a bitch to the bitch. I give her a pool. My main guy, a real pistol told nigga. We really on that, do what you told, nigga. Don't hit my phone talking about some old bitches.